Experiencing issues with ALDI Mobile's auto recharge? You're not alone. This video will walk you through the common reasons why your auto recharge might not be working and how to fix them. The primary culprits are usually related to your payment method, exceeding recharge limits, or occasional billing errors. First, double-check your card details in the ALDI Mobile app or website. Ensure that your card hasn't expired, the security code is correct, and the billing address matches your bank records. Insufficient funds are another frequent cause, so confirm that your account balance is sufficient for the recharge amount. Security blocks can also occur, especially with newer cards or after recent bank updates. Contacting your bank to authorize ALDI Mobile transactions can resolve this. If your card details are correct, consider whether you've exceeded your recharge limits. ALDI Mobile has a daily recharge cap of $100 and a monthly cap of $500. If you've reached these limits, you'll need to wait until the next day or month for auto recharge to function again. Finally, rare billing errors can happen, particularly if you're using an international card or a VPN. Try disabling your VPN or switching to a US-issued card. If problems persist, contacting ALDI Mobile support is the next step. They can investigate specific transaction issues and provide further assistance. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your auto recharge issues, there are a few advanced fixes to try. Start by ensuring your ALDI Mobile app is updated to the latest version, 5.2 or higher. Outdated apps can have bugs that interfere with auto recharge functionality. Biometric authentication, now supported in the app, can also reduce card verification errors. Setting this up can streamline the process. Another helpful step is to clear the app's cache and data. This can resolve glitches caused by corrupted data. Be aware that this will require you to log back into the app. Looking ahead, ALDI Mobile is adapting to telecom trends to improve auto recharge reliability. Digital payment integrations are increasing, with more users utilizing Apple Pay and Google Pay. While this reduces card declines, it can introduce vulnerabilities during app updates. AI chatbots are also being piloted for troubleshooting, expected to resolve many issues autonomously. Regulatory changes are pushing for clearer billing alerts, reducing disputes. In the future, technologies like blockchain could enable instant, fraud-proof transactions. Stay informed about app updates and enable auto recharge alerts to catch issues early. By implementing these fixes and staying aware of future trends, you can ensure a smoother auto recharge experience with ALDI Mobile.